meaning of a theme is correct. Okay, and your bonus was Frankfurt is in the area of history. Identify the following U.S. presidents from the dates of their terms in office. A, 1789 to 1797. B, 1801 to 1809. C, 1718 to 1825. And that should be 1818 to 1825. There's an error on here. D, 1829 to 1837. Okay. Incorrect.
Franklin Roosevelt?
Incorrect. It's actually Teddy Roosevelt. All right, next toss-up. Who was the first American world chess champion?
Jackie Robinson.
Incorrect. Okay, time's up down here. No one buzzed in. It's Bobby Fischer. It's actually a movie, too.
I watched it.
You watch that movie? It's a pretty good movie, isn't it? Yeah, Bobby Fischer. All right, next toss-up. In which season for the Northern Hemisphere is the Earth nearest to the sun? I think we're second from end.
Winter?
Winter is correct. Nice job.
We learned that last week.
Oh, did
taught
you?
her that.
Good. All right. And your bonus is in the area of bears. That's literally what it says, bears. Bears. Just listen and you'll know. A, the term used to identify a female bear is a sow.
Last year, I think we said mommy bear and daddy bear.
Bears team bears.
I said bear.
It's 50 for you guys.
Yeah, I think it's 50. That's what I have. I'm make sure I had it right.
Bear and Barrett.
All right, next toss-up. Which Scottish immigrant helped make the U.S. into the greatest steel-producing country in the world by
Rockefeller.
Incorrect. By 1919. You guys still have time to buzz if you want. No buzzers down there? It's Carnegie. All right, next toss-up. What is the term in literature for fixed, generalized ideas about a character or a situation? Okay, I had a buzz right down here.
Plot?
Say it one more time. I'm sorry.
1.5.
1.5 is correct. All right, and your bonus is in the area of geography. Identify the capital of each of the following Asian countries. A, China. B. Okay, B is correct for 5 points. Do you have answers for A, C, or D?
For A, we have Beijing. For C, we have no answer. And for D, we have Pyongyang.
Okay. Beijing is correct
wait.
for A.
That's right for D, actually.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, Seoul is South Korea. North Korea is Pyongyang.
Oh, good job. Way to go, guys. All right, I need your answers, Rowan.
For A, we have no answer. For B, we have Washington. For C, we have Adams. And for D, we have Teddy Roosevelt.
Okay, Franklin Roosevelt. Actually, know that or did you guess?
Well, I think I knew it in my brain.
Then why didn't toss that? Or I'm sorry, your bonus. Your bonus is this.
Guilty, but you're not guilty.
Your bonus is in the area of science. Match the following body parts to the correct body system. A, colon. B, lungs. C, femur. D, aorta.
I got it wrong.
And D, name 4 of the 5 positions a noun can have in a sentence. Okay, ready when you are.
For A, we have proper. For B, we have concrete.
All incorrect. What's right? Do you have answers?
For A, we have person. For B, we have place. For C, we have thing. For D, we have idea.
Those are actually also incorrect. So it's the subject, the predicate noun, the nominative object of a preposition, the direct object, or the indirect object. That's kind of, I don't know if it's worded a little bit. All right, next toss
Is
up.
that halftime?
Oh, I'm sorry, that is halftime. Yes, that's halftime. Thank you. Quidarius, will you go in
Hey,
for
Bocelli, you're staying,
hope,
Jay, you're staying.
please? There's no what?
Dude, that's funny or something? Yeah, I do. I think it's hilarious. True. You don't even have sound. Okay. Your mom will let you.
He's too young, so
Okay. I'm doing great. I would answer.
It's fine for me.
The pencil? I got
I
one.
said Rockefeller, and they were like, I know it was either Rockefeller or Carnegie because they were like rich. Like they had money.
Hey, Nick, Sam, Ingrid, hey, did you get a hold of your mother? Did you tell her congratulations on almost volleyball? You did tell her?
Okay, I was like sure, but I was not sure.
Well, when you're sure but not sure.
Did you tell her? Congratulations on almost volleyball.
All right, quick buzzer check to start this round off. Quidarius, we'll start with you. Quidarius, get those off your fingers, please. All right, here we go. Next toss up. What successful businessman founded Microsoft? Somebody down here.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates is correct.
Still wearing that Alabama shirt, huh?
Yeah, no. That's his biggest mistake, right?
Mm.
Are Roman numerals for each of the following? A, 14. B, 1981. C, 66. D, 9. If you were on Scholar Bowl last year, we did this one time last year, and that was it. So.
I know.
We have our answer.
All right, we're ready.
For A, we have X. For B and C, we have no answer. And for D, we have B,
Okay. Those are all incorrect. West Frankfurt, do you have answers for A, B, C, or D?
For A and B, we have no answer. For C, we have ZVI. For D, we have VVI.
Okay, and those are also incorrect. So 9, that's probably the only, well, I may have gotten 14. 9 is IX because it's like 10 minus 1. Remember when you get to those 9s, it's that weird thing. And then 14 is XIV, so same thing for 4. It's like 5 minus 1 for 4. So. Okay, next toss up. Between which two letters could you divide the word special at the end of a line while writing or typing?
C and I.
Incorrect. Nice guess.
I don't know what you said.
Okay, it's between the E and the C.
Oh.
Between the E and the C.
It does it by itself. When you type it, it does it by itself.
Yeah, it does it, yeah. All right, next toss up. World War I was often referred to as the Great War. What is the other common nickname given to World War I?
Second class.
Second to last. Right on here, buddy. Oh, sorry, right here.
The war to end all wars.
That is correct. Good job. Nice going.
I taught her. You're dead to me? I taught her.
All right, and your bonus is in the area of math. Compute the following. A, 10 to the negative first power. B, 10 to the fifth power. C, 4 to the third power. D, 3 to the third power. What do you have for?
40, 100.
Okay, that's what I have. 40 to 100, guys. All right. Ready for your answers when you are.
For A, we have -10. For B, we have 50. For C, we have 64. For D, we have 27.
Okay, C and D are both correct for 10 points. Christopher, do you have 64 and
They
20?
got it right.
Yeah, they got it right, yeah.
For A, we have -100, and for B, we have 100,000.
Okay, B is correct for 5 points. Okay, so 10 to the negative first power is 1/10, 4.1. Okay. All right, next toss up. What is the term for the energy an object or particle has because of its motion? Number 2.
Ion.
Incorrect. Number 2.
Velocity.
Incorrect. It's actually kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. You were going to say it? Next time, do it. All right, next toss up. What American writer gained fame for Freckle Juice and other realistic novels for preteens?
Judy Blume.
Judy Blume is correct. And teenagers. Good job. Okay, your bonus, West Frankfurt, is in the area of geography. Identify the continents based on the descriptions. A, largest area. B, greatest population density. C, smallest area. D, least population, not including Antarctica.
Can you repeat B?
B, greatest population density.
We have our answers.
All right, I am ready.
For A, we have Antarctica. For B, we have North America. For C, we have Australia. For D, we have Asia.
Okay, C is correct for 5 points. Christopher, do you have answers for A, B, or D?
For A and B, we have Asia, and for D, we have Australia.
Okay, and those are all 3 correct for 15 points.
It's okay, their geography teacher here is superior.
We haven't taught as much.
Oh, it's okay.
All right,
We
next.
haven't got to either of those two yet, so you're free pass.
It's coming. All right, next toss up. Name the Russian scientist who used dogs to study conditioned reflexes. Okay.
Robert Hooke.
Okay, nice guess, but incorrect. Okay, it's Pavlov. Pavlov.
Ring a bell? Ring a bell? No?
Yeah, started drooling every time. Okay, next toss up. Who is known for the development of the theory of evolution?
Charles Darwin.
Charles Darwin is correct. Okay, your bonus, Christopher, is in the area of science. Identify the parts of the body where these bones are located. A, carpals. B, tarsals. C, ulna. D, lumbar.
We have our answers.
Okay, go ahead.
For A, we have wrist. For B, we have feet. For C, we have back. And for D, we have leg.
A and B are both correct for 10 points. What's wrong for, do you have C or D?
For B, we have chest. For C, we have no answer.
Sorry, for C and D.
Oh, for C, we have no answer. For D, we have shoulder blade.
Okay, and those are correct. And lumbar is your back.
I said back. but I'm
You actually said C, back. Did she not? That's what I heard.
not- Which one is lumbar?
I think she
Lumbar
said
was-
shoulder blade.
Yeah, lumbar was is your back.
Which letter was that?
D, but you said it for C.
Oh, I got it mixed up.
I know, that's what I figured. All right. Next toss up. What U.S. musician was known as the King of Swing?
Elvis Presley.
Incorrect.
Michael Jackson.
I knew it.
Incorrect.
Yes, roll tide.
it's Benny Goodman. Benny Goodman. Next toss up is in the area of math. How many cubic centimeters are in a cubic meter?
100.
Incorrect.
Hey. Are that you blowing up?
Yes, it is. Okay, next toss up. What first aid technique is used when a person is choking? And we have 3. Heimlich maneuver is correct. And your bonus is in the area of music. A, B, C, and D. Name the 4 kinds of voices heard. Okay, A, B, and C are all correct. Give the years that each of the following wars began. A, Civil War. B, World War I. C, World War II. D, Korean War. All right. Ready when you are. That's mine too, but I don't. Same thing that happened in the morning.
For A, we have 1816. For B, we have 1914. For C, we have 1930.
Okay. Presidents to the White House. No. Incorrect. It's actually
Close.
scalawags. That is close. Carpetbaggers.
They move.
All right. Next toss up. What river formed the Grand Canyon?
Colorado River.
Colorado River is correct. 18 inches. B. Rectangle with a length, a base of 30 inches and a height of 12 inches. Okay, ready for your answers.
For A, we have 60 inches. For B, we have no answer. For C, we have 405 squared inches. And for D, we have no answer.
Okay, C is correct for 5 points. West Frankfort, do you have A, B, or D?
For A, we have 45 inches. For C, we have no answer. And for D, we have no answer.
Okay, and those are incorrect. Okay, good match. That was a match. Yes, sir. You did, and she didn't take your answer? Oh.